In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about concepts of carbohydrates which comes in different competitive exams of biology. So keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Question number 1. Systematic name for dihydroxyacetone is ketotriose. Dihydroxyacetone has 3 carbon atoms. In addition to this, it has also a keto group. That's why its name is ketotriose. Question number 2. Monosaccharides which show optical activity except dihydroxyacetone. Dihydroxyacetone does not show optical activity due to absence of asymmetric or chiral carbon atom that is necessary for showing optical activity. Question number 3. During the formation of sucrose, hydroxyl group is released from carbon 1 of glucose. Hydroxyl group is released from glucose while hydrogen ion is removed from fructose during the formation of sucrose. So correct answer is option A. Question number 4. Carbohydrates having 1,6 glycosidic linkage is amylopectin starch. It is unbranched and having 1,6 glycosidic linkage. So correct answer is option C. Question number 5. Which of the following give red or brick red appearance on iodine test? So correct answer is option C. Glycogen shows a red or brick red color with iodine. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें. Question number 6. Which is true about the ring form of D-ribose? Ring form of D-ribose having aldopyranose structure. So correct answer is option C. Always remember that all the pentoses and ketohexoses they adopt furanose structure while the aldohexoses they adopt pyranose structure. As ribose is aldohexose, so its structure is aldopyranose. Question number 7. Which of the following are reducing sugars? So correct answer is option B. Glucose and fructose. They are monosaccharide and they are primarily reducing in nature. Question number 8. Most abundant organic compounds found in the cells are proteins. Proteins are the most abundant. So correct answer is option C. Question number 9. Polysaccharides are sparingly soluble in water due to high molecular weight. So correct answer is option B. The molecular weight and solubility of polysaccharides are inversely proportional to each other. It's mean when the molecular weight will increase, their solubility correspondingly will decrease. Question number 10. Which of the following is unbranched? So correct answer is option C. Glycogen has unbranched structure. So it is similar to the amylopectin starch that is also having unbranched structure. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 11. Most abundant carbohydrate in the nature is sucrose. So correct answer is option D. Sucrose, which is an important disaccharide, is most abundant carbohydrate in nature. Question number 12. Which of the following starch is soluble in hot water? So correct answer is option B. Amylopectin starch is unbranched and soluble only in hot water. So correct answer is option B. Question number 13. Sucrose and lactose are the examples of disaccharide. So correct answer is option C. Sucrose and lactose are important disaccharide. Question number 14. Which is the example of heteropolysaccharide? So correct answer is option D. None of these, because starch, cellulose and glycogen are example of homopolysaccharide, and example of heteropolysaccharide is hyaluronic acid, which is not given in the option. So correct answer is option D. None of these. Question number 15. Glycosidic linkage present in glycogen is alpha 1,4 linkage, alpha 1,6 linkage. So correct answer is option D. Both A and B, alpha 1,4 as well as alpha 1,6, they are both present in glycogen. तो ये थे 15 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें।